There's a new Buffett indicator that tells you Bitcoin and crypto is about to move. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are, whenever you are. Thank you for watching my videos. My name is DaVinci Jeremy. I'm in the pipe 5x5. You know how I do. Staying alive here in Dubai. Hope you're doing well. Hope you're enjoying your crypto pump, your Bitcoin pump, your Ethereum pump. Thanks to first Kramer, right? We talked about that last week, Kramer's indicator saying that Bitcoin was going to pump. And man, that indicator seems to be really spot on. And now we have additional indicators coming in, right? It's the Buffett indicator. And we're going to be talking about that in today's episode and then doing some trading at the end of the episode. So make sure you stay tuned, watch all the way to the end. You hit the like, you hit the subscribe, and let's get on with it. Let's talk about this. Let's talk about first, if you're interested in trading, you could do so at bybit.davincij15.com, okx.davincij15.com, or 2bit.davincij15.com. Links are in the description below. Okay, so the top crypto firm named in a $1 billion fraud lawsuit. Yes. Wow. Okay, so this is interesting. You know, the Winklevoss twins, right? They're part of, they founded Gemini, and the U.S. prosecutors have accused 3 high-profile crypto firms of defrauding investors of more than $1 billion. New York Attorney General said Gemini, a crypto exchange, had lied to customers about the risk of an investment account it offered, which paid high interest rates on crypto. Okay. If you are promised high interest rates, even in fiat, you need to understand that it might be a fraud. It's just basic. And now, when we talk about crypto, right? It's a higher probability. It'll be a high probability it'll be a fraud, even in fiat. But when we're talking in crypto, it's like 99.9% chance it's a fraud, right? When you're talking about high interest rates. Why is that? Why would crypto have a high 99.9% chance of a fraud if they're offering you high yields? Because unlike US dollars or fiat money, crypto is limited. It's fixed. There's a fixed number of crypto that's out there. So you can't grow exponentially forever. You can't put down your million Bitcoin and expect to get to 21 million Bitcoin because they're doubling every year. It's just not going to happen. All right. So with that logic in mind, right? Please do not invest your money when somebody's offering you high yields. You are the dumb ones. These people, you know what? They shouldn't be sued. They shouldn't be sued because you are the dumb one, right? Unless they actually defrauded and said, "Oh yeah, we're promising you this is never going to go away." If they lied straight out, then yeah, they probably should go to jail. Okay, so let's go on to this huge news, right? Let's just start off with this news, right? Bitcoin has dropped over 30% since Buffett described it as rat poison squared. Here's 3 stocks to invest in that outperformed crypto. Oh my goodness. What the heck? That was a little bit bigger for those people. Okay, so they were like, oh, don't buy Bitcoin. Here's stocks. Don't be dumb. Be like Warren Buffett. But Warren Buffett revealed to be quietly making bank from Bitcoin and crypto amid price swings. I see, said the blind man to the deaf dog. Now, as crisis is threatening to engulf the US dollar, a new analyst of Warren Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway stock portfolio has revealed that Oracle of Omaha's best performing investment is this year is Bitcoin and crypto-friendly new bank. Ooh, look at that. So you've been invested in Bitcoin and making bank. Bitcoin's historical halving that's expected to cause crypto prices and chaos is just around the corner. Yes, it is. Meanwhile, this guy's like this 91-year-old. You know, you can tell he's lying just by this statement, right? This statement right here. Oh, yeah, it's a little small. Let me just make it bigger for you guys to see. This statement right here says it all, right? Then the 91-year-old believes assets need to have a value, and there's only one currency that's accepted, and it's not crypto. If you told me you own all the Bitcoin in the world and you offered it to me for $25, I wouldn't take it. What would I do with it? Okay, yes. If you told me you had all the fiat money in the world and offered it me for like 0.0 for one Satoshi, I wouldn't take it. You know why? Because it wouldn't make any sense. It has no value, right? Because no one else is using it. Okay? You see how if you don't read between the lines, right, you can see that he didn't lie about that, the statement. He's obviously buying Bitcoin, right, and telling you not to buy Bitcoin because, you know, powers that be, he's part of it, telling you, hey, don't get into Bitcoin because we need to get into it first. Okay? So don't be listening to these guys. Go and buy Bitcoin. When Kramer tells you not to buy, you buy. When Kramer tells you to buy, you might consider selling some of it. All right, so let's get on to the charts here. Alrighty, Bitcoin on the daily chart. You know, we are taking off. The Bollinger Band expanding heavily, and Bitcoin is ready to rock and roll. We still have to break above the $32,000 mark, and that's an absolute indicator that we're going a lot higher. But with us at this level, this is a key resistance area, so we could expect some consolidation before we rocket higher at this area. So you're looking for a little bit of a chop here. I was looking for a short in this area, and we didn't quite get it, but I'm just waiting for that. You have to keep waiting for it, and it will come. And if I miss the short, I could always get into a long because Bitcoin looks ready to break out above the $32,000 mark, which is almost the $1,500 mark, $1,500 from this level here. So, but we will get an opportunity to buy in lower. I already did have a reversal long down here, but I already taken profits off of that, and I'm looking for a different trade right now in this area. So we're just waiting for that trade to where it's head. Looking at Ethereum has clearly breaking out too. When we were looking, actually, let me just bring up you can see the indicators as Ethereum was dropping. The indicators was making higher lows, right? The lows were getting higher and higher on indicators as Ethereum was dropping. So that was an indication that Ethereum could break out, and now it has. It wanted to do it here, but didn't quite make it, and then now it's finally doing it. So we can see Ethereum could break all the way back up to the $1,800 level at this point. It looks like it wants to, on the daily, hit at least the 200-day moving average before we could decide where it wants to go. But what's interesting is this. I've been showing you guys this forever, and I've been telling you this forever, that the Bitcoin dominance is going to run heavily. And we are now at a point where the dominance is going to take off and head all the way as high as, if not 57, 58% level, as high as the 60% area before we even see some consolidation and any kind of reversal. And we're probably going to go even higher. So really, it doesn't look like Ethereum wants to rise as fast as Bitcoin is going to rise. And Bitcoin is in that zone where it's going to move heavily or stay higher for a long time. So we are going to be above the 30K, I believe, very shortly, and stay above that 30K for a while before we even think about revisiting the lower level, the 30K and lower. All right. With that said, thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's episode, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Cheers.